guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max 96. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got to look at a classic from Nike. We've got to look at the Air Max 96. I would like to say it's under the radar, much unloved sneaker from Nike. You know, the Air Max 95 gets a lot of praise, the Air Max 97 does as well, but the Air Max 96 did come out with some great colorways. This, in fact, this Mystic Navy is what it's nicknamed by the kids. Well, obviously they take inspiration from the OG colorway of the Mystic Teal. Now, when I think of a Mystic Teal, that's what comes to mind when I think of an Air Max 96, sorry. See, even I've totally forgot. I'm so accustomed to saying Air Max 97. But when I think of Air Max 96, I do think of that Mystic Teal colorway. It's a classic. This is the Mystic Navy. We'll get into all those little details once we get unboxing. But before that, we'll show you, we'll tell you the sizing. So we got these Air Max 96 in the Mystic Navy colorway. We got these in a UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's US 8.5. Here we are. This is a brand new colorway from Nike. It is not a retro, but it looks like it has been part of the archives a long time ago. Well, in 96, I guess. So around 26 years ago. Is that 26 years? Yeah, it's 26 years ago. Damn, we are old. But look at this, classic. I mean, you can see why the 95 and 97 kind of outshines its middle brother, as we'd call it, because the materials and the way that it's patterned is way different. This looks like a Nike Triax, those typical running sneakers with just a swoosh on their sides, whereas the 97, you know, it's got that layering. The 95 is, you know, modeled after the spine of a person. We'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, your typical Air Max 90s shape. Waffle outsole there with patterning at the forefoot. You can see a carbon fiber shank plate with the Nike logo there and the Nike logo at the back. The midsole unit, so this midsole, polyurethane midsole, and you've got two airbags. You got your large one out the back, and you got the chambers here at the forefoot. This being an Air Max, you need to see that air unit that is visible, and it's right here. There for your comfort, it's there for your support. Can't go wrong with a pair of Air Maxes. The upper, so this upper right here is all textile materials. You got your fake leathers as well. So if you look at the mud guard, it feels like it's suede, but it's not leather. Got your meshes underneath, and you can see some bits of reflective silver right there on the side of the mud guards right there. Nike swoosh at the toes as well. Look at the main body of the sneaker. You got a Nike swoosh on both sides, the middle and the lateral side, in this soft tone blue. I mean, it's more grey, but it looks more blue as well. The main body of the sneaker, the main coloring, is these two hits of blue. You got your dark at the front and the back, and you got this like medium blue that makes the middle right there. Underneath all those cuts of plastic, or well, it's textile materials, you got more mesh underneath there in a grey colour. You got more padding around the lacing support here, and that's part, again, it's that fake leather right there in the grey right there. Lacing system, typical lacing system with flat laces in this blue colourway. Just want to double check. It doesn't come with another pair of laces, unfortunately. Got the Air Max logo right there in the tongue, stitched on. Nicely padded tongue as well. Obviously these were built for running. Coloured, not coloured, padded collar there for your ankles. The insole, you got your foam insole with the Nike Air logo, that's there. And at the back, you got the Nike swoosh with the Max logo just underneath it. Again, you can see the cuts of fake leather right there. It does feel like it's suede, but I can assure you there's no leather. That rounds up my review. This looks more like a 90s running sneaker than, you know, the more famous 95 and 97. This gives you that retro feel. I mean, the 97 and 95, they are proper retro sneakers, but given the look of those sneakers, they don't really look like a dad sneaker. Whereas these have a dad sneaker vibe to these. But you can still wear these out. I mean, don't be shy. So I'll show you what they look like on. So roll up footage of me trying these 96s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true size Nike fit. When it comes to Nike, I'm a size UK 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. They're quite tight on, just on the top of my feet. They're underneath the tongue. But other than that, these are really dope. I know what a Max bobble feels like. I know what comfort, you know, this is Nike staple technology. Really dope. They look cool on. I don't know if you can see the reflective panels there. Probably like glimpses, but it does reflect. These again look so dope on. Giving me a dad kind of sneaker vibe, not like a New Balance, but like a Nike Triax. If you guys remember those. Kids probably not so much, but do look up a pair of Nike Air Triax. Pretty dope sneakers. But yeah, very under the radar sneaker, obviously overshadowed by the 95 and 97s, but these are dope in their own right. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.